Hey flower fans, welcome back to Turbow Farms, where spring is in full swing and our ranunculus are putting on quite a show. I'm so excited to share with you new varieties that are brand spanking new in our 2025 collection. If you're new here, I'm Charmaine, head Farmette of Turbow Farms, and we grow garden-inspired beauties just like these ranunculus for people to enjoy. Oh my goodness, just look at these beauties. This year's varieties are absolutely incredible and they're performing even better than we hoped. I'm going to introduce to you our newest addition to the farm. This is Moderna 807, also known as Stella Jupiter. Notice she's got very, very distinct peach coffee buds and they open up into the star-like form. She is just absolutely gorgeous with that green center. Now, no ranunculus tour is complete without some butterfly ranunculus. Here we have Hestia and Ariadne. Hestia's got more coffee undertones, as you can see here, versus Ariadne, definitely more pink. Both of them are just stunning either way.
Check out Bianco Striato. I mean, she came before, I'm pretty sure, Galthie. They could pair very well together. They both have that kind of magenta, deep purple streaks. Galthie has more streaks through the petals. This is just picoteed on the edges. But just take a really, really good look at the number of petals. I mean, wow. You can see the morning dew. She is absolutely striking and breathtaking. And when she opens up, easily 10 to 14 days in the vase. And here is Galthie at her greatest. She is a beautiful ivory ranunculus with these marbled purple flecks just running through her veins. So if you have a small space and are looking for a few surprises or a mixed bag of ranunculus, the Porcelaine series is really the way to go. You've got, first of all, these really nice sturdy stems, but you get a very nice, beautiful variation of colors. Like look at this one. It's got kind of like a cream yellow ivory hue with very blush streaks in it. Again, this one has some more salmon streaks in it. We've got this peach, and look at this salmon with the open center. I mean, these are just gorgeous. So again, a beautiful mixed bag and pastel hues. Porcelain is the way to go.
Up next, well, it's maritime. I absolutely love, love, love this ranunculus. Though pretty unassuming in its closed bud stage, but wow, when it opens up, it puts on a show of cream pearlescent petals with a kiss of blush pink. This beauty is also an absolute powerhouse when it comes to production, pushing out tons of long stems. And now, flower fans, your head Farmette Secret. Now, when it comes time to harvest, this is the perfect stage for us to harvest. Look at these long, straight stems. And when you harvest them at this stage, you will get the opportunity to enjoy them for a much longer time because the petals will start to unfurl and up to 10 to 14 days, sometimes even a little more if you treat them right. And this, flower fans, is what we create with these stunning blooms. From our signature garden-inspired bundles to flower jars to these incredible centerpieces that our local clients just can't get enough of. If you're loving the spring tour, you've got to check out our flower tour playlist. I'll link it right below here in the description. We've got dahlias, heirloom chrysanthemums, and my favorite floral fillers. Basically a full rainbow of what we grow throughout the season. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any of our flower growing adventures. Until next time, flower fans, flowers or bust.